do an average across two components? Well, we can do that too. In most cases in Excel, if you have a value that has if in it, you can add the letter S for ifs, and you can do it across multiple statements. So you can see here, I put in average ifs, and again, we can look at the criteria to understand. So again, I didn't put this at the bottom, but this is something to be mindful of. Sometimes when you go from if to an if statement, ifs with an S on the end, Excel changes the syntax. And again, everything Excel does is for a reason. You'll see that when we do average if, the average range that we're actually averaging came at the end, and the criteria came first, right? That makes sense because we're only looking at two different types of strings. But when we do average ifs, Excel actually has you put the value that you're averaging first, and it has you put the criteria second and third and so forth. The reason it does that is because you're having such a long string, it wants you to be able to have the thing that's the most important at the front so you don't forget. So in this case, you'll see that we have the average that we want to average, which is quantity again, which is in column R. We have that first. Then you'll see that we say, is the food yummy, which is S7 to S22. And again, it's a text string, so we have it in quotations and we have yes. And then the second one is it healthy? And again, the text string is yes. So now we have a compound statement of, is the food yummy and is the food healthy? What if we wanted to say if the food is yummy but not healthy? Well, we can just change that to no. So again, it gives you more sophisticated power across your data by being able to assess it across multiple components. Let me take a moment and see if there are any questions.